Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comment section and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called sattvic food. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. Sattvic food. Okay. And in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called forbidden food. Okay. Forbidden food. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. And this is 56 number topic. Forbidden food means, friends, which food we should not eat. Okay, so that's forbidden. And sattvic food which we should eat, friends. Okay. And okay, so let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling, which food we should not eat and which are the forbidden foods. Highly seasoned dishes, hot curries, chutneys, chilies, meat, fish, egg, tobacco, liquor, sour articles, oil of all kinds, garlic, onion, bitter things, sour curd, stale food, acid, astringents, purgates, stuff, roasted thing, overripe, and unripe fruit, heavy vegetables, salt, and other things are not at all beneficial. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that there are many things like chutney, hot curries, chilies, fish, egg, tobacco, liquor, any kind of sour thing like sour curd or sour soup, any kind of stale food. These are very dangerous for the health of us, and we should avoid having these things during the practice of brahmacharya. And it is very dangerous to follow this eat this thing while the practice of brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Onion and garlic are worse than meat. So Swami Sivananda is telling onion and garlic are even worse than the meat also. It is dangerous than meat. Salt is the worst enemy. Swami Sivananda is telling salt is our worst enemy. We should not never eat salt, friends. Okay. Even if you do not take salt separately, the system will derive the necessary quantity of salt from other food stuff. So Swami Sivananda is telling even if we do not take salt separately also, our the system we are going to already get salt from the how much our body needs, that salt body will get from the food, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. All food stuff contains salt. Too much salt excites passion. This is a very important statement, friends. Swami Sivananda is telling that all food stuff already contain salt, right? But too much salt excites our passion. We become more sexually excited, and which is very dangerous, friends, in the practice and follow up brahmacharya. And to get success in the life, it is very important for us is to follow the practice of brahmacharya and to follow the practice of celibacy, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Giving up salt helps you in controlling the tongue and thereby the mind and all the other indriyas. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that if you give away salt from your life, then it is going to be very easy for you to control your mind and tongue and all the indriyas, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. All kind of peas and beans, both fresh and fried, black gram, Bengal gram, horse gram, sprouted grain, mustard, all sort of chili, asafoetida, lentils, brinjals, ladyfinger, okra, cucumber, Malabar nightshade, both white and red variety, bamboo shoot, papao, fruit, drumstick, all variety of gourd such as white gourd, snake gourd, squash gourd, radish, leek, mushroom, all kind of thing fried in oil or ghee, pickles of all sort, fried sesame, seeds, tea, coffee, cocoa, all kind of vegetable, leaf, fruit, food stuff that create wind or indigestion, grief, pain, or conjunctive or other sickness. So Swami Swananda is telling these are all kind of food like mushroom, tea, coffee, coca powder, uh, vegetable leaves, roots. This all kind of food create a indigestion and a wind in our stomach, and which results in exciting of the passion, friends. Okay, so it is very important for us that we avoid this kind of thing like papaw fruit, drumstick, all this kind of things we avoid in our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Pastry preparation, food that are dry and burning, food that are bitter, soul, saline, over hot, and pungent, and tobacco and its preparation, food and drink container liquor or narcotics drugs such as opium and bhang. Even Swami Sivananda is selling bhang, liquor, alcohol, tobacco, and all the tobacco products. These are very dangerous for our health, friends. Okay, and we should never consume this type of products in our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Food preparation which are stale or have become cold subsequently to their removal from the heart, or which have lost their natural taste. So Swami Sivananda is telling the food that have become stale or that have become cold and that have lost the natural state. We should avoid this kind of food. Means we should always eat hot food, not cold food, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Smell, color, or which are remains after being eaten away by other person, animal, bird, or insect, or which contain dust, hair, straw, or other rubbish, and milk of buffalo, goat, or sheep should be avoided as they are rajasic or tamasic in nature. So, friends, Swami Svananda is telling the milk of buffalo and goat also should be avoided because it is tamasic in nature, friends. Okay. Emblic, microban fruit, amla, lemon juice, rock salt, ginger, fresh or dry, and white pepper can be used in moderation. So, yes, Swami Sivananda is saying amla, lemon juice, and rock salt. These all things we can use. Ginger, but fresh or dry, or white pepper. This all can be used in moderation, friends. Okay. So, friends, in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called four bite and four fruits. Okay. In our next topic, I'm going to cover the topic called mithara. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video.